we are doing the Lower Great Range and Sawteeth. Watch, we get there and it's like totally sucks.
Avery, it's your close-up. Say hi.
Lower Whiffjaw. It is windy today. Woo! Upper.
Oh, look at those views!
Woo! Beautiful. On the Great Range, approaching Gothics. Conditions are awesome. Low snow, microspike or crampon. Some technical ice sections. That is the story of our winter right now. The beautiful Rainbow Falls. Back on the Ausable Road and switching out.
And this is how Bethany recovers.
Laughter is the best medicine.